Welcome and welcome back, ladies. My name is Katyusha, and I'm super excited about the topic today. Make him addicted to you by creating a magnetic pull. Let's dive in.
Magical, physical, rapturous, lyrical, higher than high.
How are you going to create this magnetic pull? I'll tell you all about it. Step number one, be in your feminine energy. What does that mean? Feminine energy is this soft, whole, warm, loving energy that creates that space, that safe space for him to come back after fighting and earning money outside. He wants peace and calm in the house, at home. So you create this for him. How? By being in your feminine energy, by cultivating your feminine essence. Number two, strong boundaries. You must have strong boundaries. I want you to imagine a very ripe, juicy mango. So now imagine you are that juicy, ripe mango. You're very soft and juicy on the outside, and you have this big, strong, hard shell pit inside because you know very well what's appropriate and what's not. And you will not let anyone beyond those boundaries. Hard on the inside, soft on the outside. Well, let's say he wants you to do something that you really don't want to do. And for example, you've had 5 dates and he wants to have sex and you are not ready. So you are going to say something like, thinking about you touching me gives me goosebumps. But I don't know you yet. I need more time to get to know you. That's it. That's it. So you acknowledged, you welcomed the possibility that it would be amazing when the time comes for him to touch you, to feel his touch, but you're not ready yet. And always like that. Be true to your emotion, okay? Number three, I kind of mentioned it in number two, communication. Learn to communicate gracefully, right? So let's take the same example. He wants you to have sex with you and you're not ready. So what did I do in the previous example? You acknowledge and you like let him into your body a little bit, like, just the thought of it makes my blood turn. But I don't know you. I'd like to know you more before we cross that boundary or we cross that bridge. So warmth and the boundary. Number four, creating space. What does this mean? You lean back. You don't lean forward. You always lean back. This space between the man and you, that's what your attraction is. That's how you pull him in. So if you putting yourself forward, texting him, calling him, offering him your help, drive to his house because it's more convenient for him, you close in the gap, he pulls away. That's the result of it. He pulls away. So many guys pull away, right? And women don't know why. That's the energetic pull. So instead, you sit back in your feminine energy. You allow him to come to you. And number five, I also mentioned it in number two. Number five is be true to your emotion, right? It's easy to be true and it's easy to express your emotion when you're happy and excited, and it's difficult to express when you're feeling sad, and especially if he does something and it really makes you feel horrible. And so many women, what they do, they shove those feelings down because they are afraid to lose a guy. So like, oh, it's okay, but it's not okay. And so you compress it and you compress it, and the more moments come, and then it's gonna explode in the end. So instead, you feel those emotions. You feel happiness, you feel sadness. Don't worry about loss of attraction. Yes, I believe it's working, but we're here to experience contrast. When you feel sad, you're feeling sad. You cannot lie to yourself. So when he approaches you, when he approaches you and notice and ask you about that, you can surely express, I'm feeling this and that. I'm not feeling well, I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling angry. Just don't attack him, right? But always talk how you feel about you. It's always about you. Ladies, that's it. How to love yourself is your practical guide that is waiting for you in the description below. You'll find the link. Subscribe and ring the bell. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.